welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a quick unboxing of my new Louboutin shoes. But before I get started, if you're new here, hello, my name is Marie and I'm so happy that you tuned in. I film new videos each week, especially about luxury fashion and designer handbags. So if that sounds like something that you would enjoy, I would love to have you back. So please consider hitting that red subscribe button down below for more videos on my channel. Before I ramble on too much now, let's get straight into the video because I'm actually in a hurry and I need to leave the house soon. So in the back you already see the beautiful Christian Louboutin shoebox, and I'm so excited to share these shoes with you because I actually got them on Black Friday on Louisa Via Roma. They have a private sale section on there and they do have Louboutin on there, and I actually got 30% off of these classy shoes, so I'm super excited. But let's open them together. I actually already tried them on because I was so excited and they are so beautiful. I really enjoy them a lot. But inside here you can already see the little bag with the extra tips for the heel sole in case they get damaged, and on the inside are my beautiful babies, but they are actually wrapped in the beautiful Louboutin dust bags, and I always think that Louboutin dust bags are just so classy and luxurious. I really like them. But let me pull out the shoes so you can see which ones I got. And here are my new shoes, and aren't these gorgeous? Let me put out the second one too so you can actually see them better. So guys, I quickly pulled out the shoes of the box so you can see them better, and look at these beauties. Aren't these so gorgeous? I love them so much. I think the gold color is just amazing, and the combination with the red sole, which looks so clean by the way, is just so good in my opinion. And I actually got the 100mm heel height, but they do also come in 70mm heel height. But I actually did try them on before filming this video, and I think the 100mm heel height is pretty comfortable, also because of the way the shoe is structured. They really hold your feet inside, so I really like them a lot. And I actually got them on Black Friday in the Louisa Via Roma private sale, where they actually sell Louboutin, and I got 30% off of these. So these normally retail for 800 euros and I got 30% off, which is such a good deal for these amazing classy gold sandals in my opinion. And I did choose size 37, which is my normal size, so in case you want to get them yourself as well, definitely go for your normal size. They fit true to size. But in case you're interested in these, I'll definitely leave some links down in the description box. I found them in silver on Matches Fashion too. But sadly on Louisa Via Roma these sold out like crazy, so they aren't available there anymore. But still, I think these are just amazing, and especially in summer I know that I will get so much wear out of these. And I also really like metallics. If you've watched my videos before, you know that I'm such a sucker for metallics, so I know that these will get a lot of wear. So guys, that is already it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this quick unboxing of my new Louboutin shoes. If you like Christian Louboutin heels too, please give this video a thumbs up, and while you're down there, please also consider subscribing. I would love to have you back. See you soon. Bye!